Attention all units, we need eyes on a silver Mercedes, registration KS3FOT. Driver is a white male, 39 years of age, one passenger, 4 years of age, father and son. We have one unconfirmed sighting at 1028 northbound on the A23. Reason to believe that the father may attempt to take his own life, possible threat to son. We need to get a better idea of what's going on. Nikesh, get onto the mobile provider. Who has he spoken to today? Where was that last text sent from?
Just past the silver Mercedes, parked outside Asda on Beltonfield Road. We're en route to a call out at the Royal Infirmary. Can't stop, but the reg was a KS something.
On my way.
Dad, I don't know. I'm here with them now. They're all running around, they're bricking it. Because they basically pat me on the head for 2 hours. The one in charge is a bitch. It said, "I'm sorry, please forgive me." It's turned off again, now I don't get it. Dad, I'll call you when there's news, okay? Do you have kids?
A daughter, 3 weeks old.
Congratulations.
Miss Phelps, we have every available unit out looking for Pip and for Jamie, but I'm sure you understand that time is not our friend here. I'm going to need you to think pretty hard. Is there anything at all that has happened recently to give you pause for thought?
The truth is I've been a bit preoccupied. I've been preparing for a trial. I haven't been, I don't know, paying attention.
Miss Phelps, do you have access to your husband's bank accounts?
Of course. Everything's jointed. Jamie's an accountant, he manages all of our money, but I think I can get it up on my phone.
Could you do that for me now?
Sure.
I'll be back in a bit.
False alarm.
Well, the phone records show that Jamie spoke to 3 people today. His secretary at 0825, so presumably on the way to work. His brother Paul at 0835, looks like there was no answer. And Arthur Montgomery at 0900, so after he left the office.
Arthur Montgomery, why do I know that name?
He's a TV chef. Wears yellow trousers, lives on a houseboat, does Asian food with a twist. We've got his book at home. Denise loves him, but I prefer Delia myself. Much more reliable.
Okay, well, we need to speak to all of them. Let's prioritise. Ms. Phelps, I know it's difficult, but please trust...
It's all gone.
What has?
The money?
It's an investment account. I never really check it. It's a Pip's education, really. But there should be 15 grand in this account. There was 15 grand in this account.
May I? So the money was transferred in 3 lump sums, transferred using backs to a Paul Stevenson. Final payment was made on the 15th of July. Well, that was 2 months ago.
Who's Paul Stevenson?
It's his brother. Half-brother, different dad. But he's loaded. Why would he...
Miss Phelps?
I need to speak to him.
D.S. Pritchard? Okay, where? Uh-huh. Fine, thank you. We've got Pip. He was spotted by a member of the public sitting by the side of the road, the A15. Switchboard says he's tired, hungry, a little bit wet, but otherwise unharmed. They're bringing him straight here.
Oh my God. Thank you. But he's okay. You're sure he's okay?
Okay. Cheers. He's here. He's downstairs.